Hello, everyone. I have the mic that my daughter gave me, so hopefully it will drown some of the background that I have here. But let's get started with this first. I want, first, I want to put some boots to rest. But let's get started here because I know you see this first. Drink water, love hard, fight racism. That is something that we need to do. Drink more water, love hard, and fight racism. I'm in for that. I hope you're in for that as well. Um, I just feel that's what our world needs. No more racism. Let's just drink more water, get more fit, love hard, love more, love people so much more than we have. This is something that's needed in the world now. And let's just fight racism. Now let's get down to the a little bittersweet, fun part. Not any fun really, because I have two pair of boots. As you see, I'm standing by the trash can with my cowboy hat on. So I think it's just a special occasion for me to wear my cowboy hat just because I'm getting ready to get rid of some boots. One pair is my mom boots that she had that she used to walk outside in her flower garden per se. She didn't have a vegetable garden, but she did have a flower garden, and she did care for her flowers and her shrubbery that she had that she loved so much at her home. I have mentioned before that my mom passed April the 28th of 2023. So I had brought some boots home from my mom's, and I said, "Oh, I'm so happy I can wear my mom's boots forever." Uh, but as you can see, I don't know if she started this or if I started this, but it got started and it needs to go in the trash. I sure hate to get rid of them because they were my mom's, and but they do have to go in the trash. So this is one pair of boots that's going that have to go, and I say bye to you, sweet boots that my mom wore. Uh, then I have a second pair of boots that need to go as well. These boots I have been having for about maybe 10 years. I love these boots. These were a good brand boot. I don't know it was a good brand boot, name brand boot. Um, I think it's something with the A. But I don't know. I can't think of the name now. Whatever it was a nice name brand boot that was a very good quality boot. But as you see, quality, no quality. I think my mom didn't care about quality boots. She just got her some boots. And I'm not for sure where she got hers, but as you can see, these didn't last either. And I probably still can wear them because they have an inside lining, which is a good thing. And I probably could still wear them, but I may keep these just because they do have a lining inside. The other boot did not have a lining, and they were, well, they did have a lining in the back, but they were so, water was, when I would walk out in my garden when it would be raining, water was soaking to them. So that was not good. So these I am going to keep because they're not as bad as I thought they were. So I am going to keep these because they can keep on rolling, walking with me. But I did get a new pair of boots from Amazon, and I'll put the link on there for them. They're very comfortable. We're just going to see how they're going to do. But these are my new boots. No special SANMM looks like. I don't know what that name is, but I got them for like $34. And that was a really reasonable, 31 or $34, which was a very reasonable price. So I was so excited to just get another pair of boots that's much needed out in my garden. And those boots I'll just keep for a rainy day. when I'm not wearing those. Now I have bought a pair of yellow ones as well, but I think I'm gonna send those yellow ones back because there's no need for 3 pair of boots if I'm gonna keep those. I thought I was getting rid of 2, so I purchased it. But anyway, I have a video to put out once I came back from my trip, what happened in my garden, what I had to fix and everything. But it's taken me a little while to edit that video because it's so much that I had to do that day. And I don't want to bore y'all with everything, but I do want to show what happened when I came back from vacation. And it was just so much work to do. And I do want to show that. So, with that being said, this is going to be a short one because I was trying to show my t-shirt today and also the boots that I laid to rest. But look at that sun. Do you see that beaming sun right there? And the sun is going to go down in just probably another 15 minutes or so. It's going to be a beautiful sunset. And it's coming soon. So I need to do some work in the garden. I have to water today because I have not watered. I need to fertilize today and I need to water. So I'm gonna put this video out because I have not put one out in a long time. And I hope that this mic is working good, that it will take away some of the background noise that you've been hearing on my videos. My daughter purchased me one for Mother's Day and I ended up changing phones, not knowing that iPhone, of course, the connection is not the same connection. So I had to order another adapter to go on that adapter to get it to work with this particular phone. You see how they get us every time. You have to pay more money for stuff, more money for this, more money for that. And it's always some type of excuse about it where they was telling me about something when you go to Europe, we need to have the same connection of uh, plug connection or whatever. Um, and it has something to do with money. So who knows what the real truth is. So anyway, that's what I got to say about that. So I'm just using my daughter's, the other one she let me borrow. She's probably going to let me have because it has the right connector to it. But I did order one. So we'll see what's going to happen in the end. Either she'll take mine or I take hers, vice versa. It's going to work out. So anyway, I hope everybody has been doing well. I've been missing doing videos, and I have so many videos to post that I need to go back and show things from my tomatoes and different things about my tomatoes, just different things about my cucumbers, just a lot to show. And so sometimes I get lost in that moment at not really knowing if that's really what I need to do. But today I definitely want to share with you this t-shirt. Drink water, love hard, fight racism. And so that's something that we all should want to do. So I hope you join me in this great cause to do this and find love and kindness everywhere that you go. Love you all. Hope everybody's doing well. Please subscribe and please watch my channel because I have some interesting things coming up about gardening. So please watch my channel. This hat is getting hot because I'm sweating. The sun is going down, so I may not need the hat. But I did want to lay the boots. I should have did like this afterwards when I laid the boots to rest. May they rest in peace. I should have took my hat off when I put the boots in here. May they rest in peace wherever they may go. And this is She Girly Girl, Love Gardening Life, Backyard Garden. And we're going to get to that later. I got a lot to show in my backyard garden with the sunset going down. Love everyone, y'all. Try to find love in your heart for everyone. That is the greatest thing of them all. Is to love, find love in your heart for all. And that's from my heart to yours. Rest in peace, Boots. May you rest in peace. Hey, wait just a minute. I just thought about something. Okay, you're not going to believe this. As I was editing the video that I was going to show about me putting the boots to rest, I was looking at the video and then I just thought, I said, wow. Okay, so where I have that bed of roses, I can put those boots in there. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna take those boots out the trash and put them in that where that bed is. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what's in my mind right now to do. So I don't think the boots are put to rest right now, because as I was just editing, I saw the bed that I have that I especially for my mom, and the bed of roses that I really feel that I'm gonna put the boots there. They just came to mind. And I'm gonna try it tomorrow and see if that's gonna work. So the boots are they're not put to rest yet, because I think this is what I'm going to do. Just came to my mind, as I was watching the video. Isn't that how crazy is that? That is crazy, but that's what came to my mind. That's what I think I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do that. But still remember, drink water, love hard, fight racism. That's what we need to all do.